In one of the most dramatic moments in recent boxing history, British heavyweight Fabio Wardley shocked fans and pundits alike with a spectacular 10th-round knockout victory over Australia's Justis Huni on June 7, 2025. The fight took place at Portman Road in Ipswich, England, and was billed as a WBA interim heavyweight title bout. From the opening bell, Justis Huni appeared to be in complete control of the contest. His movement was sharp, his punches were accurate, and he dominated the early rounds with crisp combinations and powerful body shots. Huni's footwork allowed him to outmaneuver Wardley, and by the end of the 9th round, many believed that he was well on his way to a unanimous decision win. However, boxing is a sport where a single moment can change everything, and that moment came in round 10. Just when it seemed that Huni was cruising toward victory,